there was that mix-up in the SMS, but which was actually not in the school portal. So the official research as given to each and every school was totally correct. It did not have this particular anomaly. And this anomaly also took place in a 10-minute period when the system opened up at around 2:30 to around 2:40. 10-minute period, you can see the number of people trying to access and in 10 minutes time what damage the technology can be able to do.
It is to be noted that the candidates taking Swahili do not take sign language and vice versa, and therefore these errors were caused by configuration issues on the interface used to give out the results. But the thing that, as the CS has mentioned, is that the results which are the official results, official provisional results as provided in the NEC portal, do not have these particular errors. And Chair, I would wish to inform the Honorable House again that we have requested, as already mentioned by the CS, our colleagues in the Ministry of ICT to support us in trying to know exactly what happened with the data transmission from our database to the database of both the service provider and the telecom, so on the access of that information.
Legal Notice 131 allows candidates, schools to lodge appeals for review of examination results in writing to NEC within 30 days from the date of release of the results. This information is also contained in the Kenya National Examinations Council User Guide for the management of examinations. On November 23rd, 2023, the date of release of the Kcpe results, NEC sent out a circular to all Kcpe results guidelines to all the sub-county directors of education and heads of primary schools that presented candidates for the Kcpe examination. One of the issues captured in the circular is the handling of queries related to examination results.